Hello everybody, I am Dr. Anu Sridhar. I am a senior consultant in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology at Banerghatta Road, Fortis. Today I would like to talk about, the approach of surgeries in gynecology has evolved over a period of time. 20 years ago or 20 to 30 years ago, it was only open surgeries, but now most of the surgeries, I could say that almost about 90 to 95% of the surgeries we are doing is through minimal access, and this is called as keyhole surgeries or laparoscopic approach. And this has taken over our entire gamut of gynae surgeries. Now, the biggest advantages of doing minimal access surgeries is that the recovery for the patient is very easy. The pain is very much lesser. The patient is ambulatory much more quickly than compared to open surgeries, and the recouping period also shortens a lot. So there are events where open surgeries would have taken the patient to be in the hospital for about 2 days or 3 days. Now we can discharge the patient on the same day or maybe the next day itself, depending upon the patient's perception of pain. So minimal access surgery has actually revolutionized gynae surgeries, and we are doing most of them as minimal access surgeries. Now, though we have been doing these surgeries for the last 14 to 15 years in Fortis, we are now launching a clinic which is a Center for Excellence for Minimal Access Surgery and Robotic Surgeries. Now, if I talk about the tubal pathologies that are generally operated with laparoscopy, the most commonest thing is when we do a ectopic surgery. Now, with open surgeries, it would take about 45 minutes or so. With minimal access, I'm finishing the case within hardly about 15 to 20 minutes itself. And the patient is almost ready to go home the same day or the next day. The other common things that are seen in the tubal pathology is that then when we do diagnostic laparoscopy for patients who have infertility related issues, or when we have to do hydrosalping surgeries, these are all the common things that are operated. And apart from this, tubal recanalizations are also done. So, and minimal access surgery is not just for tubal pathology, it is for the entire gynae gamut, which the main and most important thing being laparoscopic hysterectomies, which are done so smoothly with such advanced instruments and advanced OT that is there in our hospital. The patient is up on her feet almost the same evening or the next day itself, and this makes the entire journey of surgery for the patient very, very easy, so that she can get back to her normal routine maybe in a week's time or so. So let's hope that this particular clinic gains popularity and many more patients benefit from this particular endeavor. Thank you.